While I was playing fair, baby, you played a cheating game.
Rock jams.
Hey, let's go! What's up? Parents out of town, so I'm hitting up some women. Some in the havoc sitting, some in the pool swimming. A couple zones rolled and a bunch of bad bitches. Single till I die, I don't need a damn missus. Neighbors suspicious, threaten to call the police. Music up, party hard, getting no sleep. We just blow trees, getting toasty. Super Smash Brothers, and you know I'm playing Yoshi. It's getting out of control. Someone's passed out on the couch, house cloudy with smoke. When my parents coming home, yo, I don't even know. Hey, wait, quiet down, let me answer the phone. Hello?
Hi, Jesse, yes, we're on our way home. Your father wouldn't stop for gas, so we're about to get towed. In an hour or so, expect a knock in the dough. And you better be alone, hope no parties were thrown.
Pancakes, having sex, get the fuck out my room. My parents are gonna be home in an hour or two. Yo, there's vomit in the toilet, in the shower there's puke. And there's two naked girls trying to jump off the roof. Time to round up the troops, it seemed downright impossible. Everybody gotta go, that's why yeah, you gotta go. The guys, the jocks, all the nerds in the honor roll. And two girls hooking up while they on the float. We just wanna party. Mama, sorry, I'm so high. We just wanna party. Mama, sorry, I'm so high. Ninth grade chicks who try acting mature, but I'm sure they parents sad cause they raising a whore. There's a knock at the door, who the fuck could it be? It's Domino's, who the fuck ordered something to eat? Drunk girls with their ass out, dogs even passed out. Didn't think tonight I would fucking have a packed house. I'm there's a bunch of kids blacked out. Less than 10 minutes till my parents get back now. So I tell them the cops coming, the oldest trick in the book, but everybody start running. I clean the house, then I sleep in. I'm off the hook, I can't wait for next weekend. We just wanna party. Mama, sorry, I'm so high.